Oil and gas continue to impact every human life. Let's take a closer look at recent developments in this vital industry.
Who wouldn't like to strike oil on their own property? Or as Jed Clampett called it, black gold, Texas tea. Under the right circumstances, natural oil seeps can appear on any land. And if it's yours, you may have an oil company knocking at your door wanting to drill. While this may sound like a fantasy, the fact is many people are living the dream, receiving royalty checks for the production of petroleum on their land.
When you see an oil or gas well, it usually means the oil company acquired a lease from the oil and gas rights owner, giving them the exclusive right to explore, develop, and extract the oil from the land. In such a case, the oil and gas rights owner is usually paid a rent and a royalty by the oil company.
To determine if a landowner owns the oil, gas, and mineral rights to their land, a title search must first be performed. The oil and gas owner is then contacted, and a lease is negotiated between the owner and oil company.
A title search is a review of various land records. It can be difficult depending on the interest sought, the condition of records, and whether or not the chain of title is unbroken. My company, Chicago Title, has relied on Petru Corporation's expertise for many years, including oil and mineral rights.
If the oil and gas owner does not own the land or have surface entry rights, the oil company must negotiate a surface use agreement with the landowner. Before drilling the well, the oil company may request a drill site title search or title abstract to confirm that the lease and title are valid. If two oil companies are jointly drilling the well, joint venture agreements may be negotiated.
A company like Petru Corporation may be necessary to help navigate the involved and complex matters involving oil, gas, and mineral rights, the ownership of real property, and the ownership of various rights and interest in real property.
Petru Corporation is a land consulting company offering expertise in oil, gas, mineral, geothermal, green energy, and water rights, as well as real property title issues and land and regulatory matters. Based in Santa Paula, California, the company's unique land services have been relied upon for multi-million-dollar projects.
For 3 decades, Petru Corporation has provided its services to oil, gas, mineral, and geothermal companies, solar and wind companies, governmental agencies including the U.S. Department of Justice, developers, individual and corporate landowners, title insurance companies, and attorneys. We manage projects ranging from as small as 1 acre of land to more than 1 million acres.
Petru has lent its services to a wide variety of projects, including natural resource exploration and development, industrial and commercial developments, rails to trails, and more. The company works closely with some of the largest title insurance companies in the country and their underwriters.
Since 1987, Seneca Resources has relied on the expertise of Petru Corporation. Due in part to our relationship, Seneca has won 9 awards since 2000, one being Outstanding Lease Maintenance from California Department of Conservation, the other Operator of the Year from the U.S. Department of the Interior.
Petru Corporation has also planned land subdivisions and lot line adjustments, in addition to legal lot determinations and obtaining regulatory permits.
Petru Corporation provides their clients with cost and time efficiency through maintenance of a large database of land title records for the state of California.
Petru has even been retained as an expert witness in litigation matters, preparing narratives for court proceedings.
Petru Corporation has a deep knowledge of natural resource and title issues. They educate their clients to specific issues that can affect the overall project. They can even act as an outside land department by providing title reports, lease acquisitions, right-of-way acquisitions, and regulatory permitting.
The demands placed on the natural resources and real estate industries by the need for use of land and energy for various projects will be a challenge to meet. Petru Corporation will continue to meet those challenges by providing its expert land services to the natural resources and real estate industries, professions, businesses, and individuals in need of its services.